Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video we are going to address an issue regarding the save as option which is here in file menu. So in the 2021 version of Photoshop there seems to be an issue with the save as option. So let's just get into it. So first, let's say if I create something or if I change something in any image and I want to save those changes, I simply go to save as, and now we first of all we select the location, whatever location that we want, and we get these various options or extensions of the file formats. But here is an issue. If I drag any other file into this image, and now if I go to the file and save as option, then I get fewer options. So this is the issue. So many of my students, they ask me what is the solution of this. The solution is very easy. Instead of using the save as option, you can use save a copy option, then you will get same options as save as options. So this is a very easy solution. Instead of save as, use save a copy option and save the file in whichever format that you want. Save. Okay. So this is a small issue. You can say it and call it as an issue maybe, or there is a confusion. So you can simply use save a copy option instead of save as if you want more formats, options in or the extensions while saving any file. So I hope this is useful for some of the students that were asking me. So if you like this video or like this information, do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you